investment, my own contribution to the business is what is called the owner's what? Investment, right? Very, very good. Now I want to ask a very simple question. Now, is capital a liability or is capital an asset? Is an asset?
Yes.
Okay, capital is an asset. Now, business relationship with the owner, is capital an asset or a liability? Why is it a liability? Speak one person so I will hear you. Why is capital a liability? Capital is an asset to the business concern. Then capital to the owner is what? Why is it a liability? God bless you. Because the business is owing the what? The owner. That means, in a real sense of view, capital is a liability. Are you listening to me? Yeah. Capital is a what? A liability to the what? In business and owner what? Relationship. Now, for instance, let me say King Solomon, I want to add up stock, which is given, right? I want to add up 10,000 naira to my pure water business, right? Now, when and it's cash that I have to pay the suppliers for listen to me step by step, let the video. Now, when I have this 10K, now I want to add it to my business, and business is a separate entity from its owner. That means business is an individual. It's just like investing in your girlfriend. Let business be the girlfriend, let it be the man. Now, me now, I want to invest in my business is the girlfriend, which is the business I'm trying to open. Now, King Solomon 10,000 naira. This is my own money, right? Then I'm putting this money, cash, into my business, which is the girlfriend now. Now, this business is receiving what? What is this business receiving? It's receiving 10,000 naira cash, Abi? Yes. God, what kind of cash? Please look at matter. Now, it's receiving cash. How much cash is it receiving? 10K cash, right? Now, there's something I want to tell you guys, very, very important. You know that there's what we call rule of double entry system in accounting, right? Yes. Those of you that did not do accounting in your secondary school, just assume you don't know anything and start following me step by step from a very first critical approach. Now, debit, which is called the DR, is receiving. Are you getting me? Credit is giving out. Double entry system simply means that in every debit entry, simply means that in any entry you are going through the debit side, there must be a corresponding what? Credit entry. And vice what? Versa. What it means, I hope this class is interesting. I think guys understand what I'm saying, or should I change pattern? Am I too fast or am I too slow? Good. Thank you. Now, in every debit entry, there must be a corresponding credit entry. And in every credit entry, there must be a corresponding debit what? Vice versa means synthetically. This one is like this one. Abi? Yes. Now, let me tell you something. In mathematics, that's what more corresponding angles. Is my marker ready? The anointing is coming. Please give me one marker. Now, there's no more corresponding angle in mathematics. You know, I'm a mathematician. Now look at it now. When you slice this thing into two in mathematics, this is called two parallel lines, right? Yes. I'm going to use mathematics and explain double entry system. Now observe. Who was the person that invented accounting? Acc101, right? Do you know that Acc101 was a mathematician? You don't know. He was a mathematician. Accounting is mathematics. But it is called commercial what? Thank you. Now this is it. This is it. In mathematics, this is two parallel lines, right? They can never meet. This is one wire. Practical example, look at that wire outside. You see these two wires? This one is parallel to this one. This one is parallel to this one. They can never meet, right? Yes. Thank you. Now what is making them to meet is this intersector, which is this line here, right? Yes. Now this angle is acute from here. Observe what I'm teaching you. This angle is acute from here. Now if here is A and here is B, they are corresponding what? Angles. That means A is equal to what? B, because corresponding arms are what? That means in every debit entry there must be a corresponding credit what? Now let me explain this to you. Now, King Solomon, I'm investing cash 10,000 to my business. There are two things involved. What is involved? Capital is involved, right? Yes. What is involved again? Now, since I'm starting the business with cash, the money I'm using to invest in that business, my equity in that business is 10,000. That is my own property I'm investing. Now, what is the purpose of investing? Is to get more, right?